In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Google Calendar. First, open your web browser and search for Google Calendar. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type Google Calendar into the search bar and hit Enter. As the search results appear, you will see various links related to Google Calendar. This step is important because it sets the stage for accessing your calendar. You want to ensure that you are on the right path to make adjustments to your calendar background. Next, click on the correct link that leads you to Google Calendar. The official link should be from Google, typically showing as calendar.google.com. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to the Google Calendar homepage. Make sure you are on the right page before proceeding. This is essential because accessing the official site guarantees that you will have the latest features and updates available for your calendar. Now, it's time to log into your Google account. If you are not already signed in, you will see fields prompting you to enter your email address and password. Type in your credentials securely. After entering your information, click the Sign In button. This step is crucial because your Google Calendar is linked to your account, and logging in ensures that you can customize the calendar that belongs to you. After logging in, look for the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the calendar page. This icon usually resembles a small cogwheel. Click on it to open the Settings menu. The Settings menu is where you will find options to personalize your calendar, including background settings. Finding this icon is a key step as it gives you access to all the customization features available in Google Calendar. From there, click on the Appearance option in the Settings menu. This will take you to a new section where you can adjust how your calendar looks. The appearance settings allow you to choose a theme that suits your style or preferences. This is important because a well-organized and visually appealing calendar can help you manage your time more effectively. Next up, select either dark, light, or device default for your calendar background. Each option presents a different visual experience. The dark option offers a sleek, modern look, while light provides a traditional appearance. Device default adapts to your device's settings. Once you have made your selection, remember to click Done to save your changes. This confirmation ensures that your preferences are applied and that you will enjoy the new look of your calendar. With that ready, you can return to your calendar view to see the changes you've made. Your selected background will now enhance your calendar's appearance, making it more enjoyable to use. Adjusting the background is more than just aesthetics. It can improve your productivity by creating a comfortable viewing experience. As you navigate through Google Calendar in the future, you can always return to these settings to make further adjustments as needed. This flexibility allows you to change your calendar's look whenever you feel like a refresh. Personalizing your calendar can make managing your schedule more engaging. Remember, each step you take in customizing your Google Calendar contributes to a more efficient and personalized planning experience. Thank you for following along and enjoy using your newly customized Google Calendar.